CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2, given a scenario, set up and install common peripheral devices to a laptop or PC. External hard drive. An external hard drive is a peripheral storage device that connects to the exterior of a computing device. These external hard drives are commonly connected using a USB or Thunderbolt interface, and are designed to provide additional storage space, above and beyond what a device's internal storage can offer. Configuration options for an external hard drive will not be found in Control Panel or Windows settings like many other devices. Instead, all system hard drives, both internal and external, are handled by the Windows Disk Management utility. With Disk Management, you can configure an external hard drive however you would like. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.